Ah, okay. This is a mic test. Yeah. Let me unplug these headphones. Took a lot of force for some reason. Alright. This is a mic test. I decided to make a video testing out this mic because it's fun. Got the mic right here. It's a boom mic. It took me like $200 to actually get it working technically because I had to order something else. And keep looking at the thing on the side of the camera. I apologize. Regardless, I think it's working. Yeah. Hopefully I can start making videos again at some point soon. Before I made videos, one thing you can definitely tell is that the audio is not good. The audio is very rough in all my other videos. And, the hell? Anyway, yeah. That's about it. Hopefully not as much white noise will come through now. And if not, I can just use AI. Which is really sad to say, but oh well. Alright. Have a good day, everybody.